Today we are telling you a story of Orcha Ram Temple. King Ram Temple. Orcha has a different story. Police salute at sunrise and sunset. Orcha Raja Ram Temple of Tikamgarh district of North India. Orcha is famous for its splendor all over the world. An interesting story of Raja Ram Temple is still heard from the tongues of many people. It is said that Lord Rama had once bowed down to the insistence of the queen, and Lord Rama had fulfilled the insistence on one condition actually. Lord Rama came to the Orcha after the condition was fulfilled. Since then, devotees from all over the world worship Lord Rama in the form of King Rama in Orcha. That is why in this temple Ram is not worshipped as a god but as a king. An ancient story of Raja Ram staying in Orcha is prevalent even today. In fact, Maharaja Madhukar Shah asked his wife Ganesh Kumari to accompany him to Vrindavan, but the queen was absorbed in the devotion of Lord Rama, so she refused to go. The Maharaja said in the rage to the queen, "If you are such a devotee of Ram, then bring your Ram to Orcha." After this, the queen went to Ayodhya and started spiritual practice there on the bank of Saryu, and thereafter getting blessings from Saint Tulsidas, the queen's penance became more severe. Even after several months, when Ramji was not seen, then the queen jumped into the river. Ram was seen in the river. Then the queen requested Ramji to walk to Orcha. Lord Ram also put a condition that Orcha will run, but then when there is his power and monarchy. After this, Maharaja Madhukar Shah of Orcha established Ramji in Orcha, and it is still the same today. It is the only temple where the police salute in the morning and evening. This temple is popular all over the world. Here Lord Ram is worshipped as a king. Devotees come from far and wide to see the respect of Lord Rama as a king. Here Madhya Pradesh police personal salute with guns at sunrise and sunset. The practice of saluting has been going on for years, which continues even today. Here pressed made of betel leaves is also fed to the devotees. Ram Raja Temple in Orcha. Orcha is a special place in North India for the original idols of Lord Rama and Janki ji. This is the reason that every year more than 5 lakhs religious interested indigenous tourists visit Orcha, and more than 20,000 foreign tourists visit Orcha's beautiful palaces of archaeological importance. Huge fort, Sheesh Mahal, Jahangir Mahal, Rai Praveen Mahal, Lakshmi Temple, Chaturbhuj. There are many grand buildings of ancient times, including temples, umbrellas on the bank of the Betwa river, and the animals roaming in the forest along the river bank.